Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to take a look at how we can solve proportions. To start off with, let's go over what a proportion is. Proportions are when you are comparing two ratios to each other. So a ratio is when we're comparing two values to each other, and a proportion is when we're comparing two ratios to each other. When we're doing this, we usually have our ratios in fraction form. So let's take the ratio, for example, 1/2, or 1:2. As a fraction, we could read this as a half, either way. And let's say I'm trying to say that this ratio is equivalent to some other ratio where the denominator is 6. And I need to figure out what my numerator is going to be. Since I don't know what my numerator is, I'm just going to give it the variable of x. How we solve proportions is by starting off, we need to see if we can find any relationship between the denominators of our two ratios. So here we have 2 and 6. Well, to go from 2 to 6, we have to multiply by 3. So if I do the same thing to my numerators, 1 times 3 is equal to 3. So I can say that x is equal to 3. And to verify, we can check if 1/2 is equal to 3/6. And we know that it is, so we know that we have solved this proportion correctly. So x is equal to 3. Let's take a look at one more example. Let's say I have a ratio like this. And I have another ratio where my numerator is going to be 12. But I'm trying to figure out what the denominator would be. Well, here, since I don't know what the denominator is, I'm going to assign the variable. Let's use n to it. I'm going to start off by finding the relationship between the numerators. To go from 4 to 12, we need to multiply by 3. So I'm going to perform that same operation to the denominator, and 10 times 3 is equal to 30. So I can say that n is equal to 30. So to check, we can check if 4/10 is equal to 12/30. Well, simplifying, 4/10 becomes 2/5 if we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. And simplifying 12/30, if we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 6, we would get 2/5 again. So we know that we have solved this proportion correctly. For more personalized tutoring and to practice online using our online assessments, make sure to check out Prepaze.com. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if there are any additional topics that you guys would like me to cover, make sure to leave those in the comments section as well. I'll see you all in my next video.